Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. Greatly appreciate that. I see people screaming over here. If you remember yesterday, this was not attached and it got finished. So I started out the day with this piece right here, going across the ceiling right here. I'm just going straight on this crack, I think. No, maybe not. I don't know. I don't remember what I did anymore, but I think I just measured out the crack 20, something like 21 and a quarter or something, and then kicked it over here because it had to go next to this column down this hole. So got that over here. Unfortunately, this column is crooked, so made the best I can, but it's 7.5 inches from the edge of the pipe to the edge of the column, and that just goes straight down the hole right there. And I'll try to remember to show you that downstairs, but it's just stubbing through the floor. It's not really important, but so got that as best as I could, so that turned out pretty nice. And then I'll show you the second part of the day, which went by really fast and just ended out the day. So I just did a few things today. I actually just remembered we spent a half an hour going up and putting up temporary power on the 6th floor, just at a couple of the spider boxes, and ran out a 50-foot cord downstairs to the other spider box, tied it in. So probably not gonna walk up there, but the last thing that I worked on today was this 2-inch pipe coming out across the ceiling from this box. That was the last part of the day, and then the rest of the day was on this other side. Has offset right here, and then just going straight down the line right here, all the way down to there, and then all the way over to there. I'll go show you that, but just following this crack right here on the ceiling, so it turned out pretty nice. The ceiling isn't exactly level, which really sucks because it makes it look crappy, but hopefully once it gets some more weight in there, it'll flatten out. I'm gonna move here before I get ran over. As you can see right here, it's not even touching, which looks retarded. So these ones aren't even touching, but this goes all the way down to there. So this is exactly what I'm doing on the other side. I am just going straight down to the other side, and then I'll be taking a left, which is west, down to the other stairwell, and there will be a box down there. So that's what I'm doing on the other side, and then there will be 2 more 2-inch pipes going to the east, going to the elevator and the stairwell. So I'll probably be working on that tomorrow. This goes by pretty fast, which is nice, so feels like I'm getting something done, which is awesome. So had a good day, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. All right, so here this is coming down the floor. It actually is a lot better than I thought. Maybe slightly crooked this direction, but otherwise it looks pretty good this direction. So probably just gonna get cut off, and hopefully it'll be flexed into, this is gonna be for, I think they said like a heater or HVAC unit. So it'll probably be in flex, or maybe they'll just put a box right on the ceiling. I'm not sure, but turned out pretty good, so happy with that. All right, everyone, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it as always, and I'm gonna say that every day because I do. Anyways, I will see you guys back here tomorrow. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It would help me out. I'd appreciate it, and just take a second of your time and check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I do live streams or upload videos. Thanks guys so much. See you guys back here tomorrow. Peace out.